Hey guys, a new tutorial. I will show you how to install Oranchelo Icon Theme on Ubuntu 18.04. Okay, let's open terminal. First we must add the repository. So let's copy the first command. And press enter. No need to update. So let's take this to install, and it's time now to install. So after that we need a tweak to change the icon theme. If you don't have it, can open Ubuntu software and search here for a tweak. And you will find here install. Here is launch because I have already installed, so let's launch it. And now let's change the icon theme, so Oranchelo. So we see here the wolf icon. There is Oranchelo Becca or Oranchelo green. Let's open to see. So this is Oranchelo green, but I prefer this. So this is how to install Oranchelo icon theme. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.